Shift4Shop or Ecwid, two top platforms for selling online. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, Shift4Shop, the full-featured e-commerce solution with no monthly fees. And on the right, Ecwid, the flexible e-commerce plugin for any website. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. All right, so here's the lay of the land. We're going to compare these two across 6 main things: pricing, features, store builder and customization, scalability and growth, integration and flexibility, and finally, support and community. Stick around to see how they stack up at each step, and which one quietly comes out on top. Okay, first, let's talk pricing. Shift4Shop and just wow. So their end-to-end plan is actually free. No monthly fees with unlimited products if you use Shift4 payments, like web hosting, updates, unlimited sales. It's all wrapped in. Must admit, it's wild, but you have to roll with their payments. Now, Ecwid, they technically have a free plan, but it caps you at 10 products. And honestly, most of the stuff you'd want is locked behind paid tiers. If you're running any kind of decent-sized store, those costs stack up quick. Plus, filters and variants are premium only. So on pricing, Shift4Shop just clearly wins it. Moving on to features. Shift4Shop sort of spoils you here. Everything's included by default. SEO tools, product filters, there's even a whole blog setup. Returns, digital downloads up to 10 gigabytes per product, plus point of sale and inventory tricks built in. No paying up just to unlock basics. With Ecwid, it's all about easy site integration. Great if you want to drop a store onto WordPress or Wix. And there's a decent app scene, but yeah, lots of essentials cost extra or need third-party help. The starter site is, honestly, super basic. So, Shift4Shop again takes the features round, hands down. Now, for store builder and customization, Shift4Shop gives you a complete store builder. Templates, full design editing, custom domain, the works. You can really flex your brand, which I love. With Ecwid, it's more like slap a store onto whatever site you've got. So, really fast. But the starter site is just one basic page, and custom domains? Only if you pay. Otherwise, it's stuck on an ecwid.com subdomain. Not exactly your brand's dream, right? So yeah, Shift4Shop makes customizing easy and wins by a mile. Hold up, did you know this? Shift4Shop's totally free plan actually packs in more built-in features than some platforms charging $200 a month. Yeah, that's no monthly payment. Kind of blows your mind, right? Let's dig into scalability and growth. With Shift4Shop, the sky's the limit. Literally, unlimited products and orders every single tier. Works whether you're starting on your own or scaling like crazy. Ecwid, it's all right for side hustles, and they do let you upgrade. But to go full scale, you're hitting product and digital sales limits unless you shell out for the highest plan. So growing gets pricey fast. Easy win for Shift4Shop here. Now, integration and flexibility, this is where things get a bit more interesting. Shift4Shop's built as a standalone full-service store with solid integrations for payment, shipping, and marketing. Good stuff, but it's not really meant as a plugin for other sites. But Ecwid? Oh, and here's something cool. Its whole thing is being a widget or storefront that you can drop into literally any website or CMS out there, like WordPress, Wix, wherever you want. Super flexible. Its standalone store is a bit too basic, but integration-wise, Ecwid rules. Last up, support and community. Shift4Shop offers 24/7, 365 support, even if you're on the free plan, which honestly is rare. They've got documentation and forums for days. On Ecwid, support is there, but if you're free, expect just email. Most live or phone support is for paid users only, and the docs are nothing to brag about. So, for hands-on help, Shift4Shop takes it. So, looking at the big picture, and if you chart out the scores, Shift4Shop comes out ahead almost everywhere except pure integration flexibility, where Ecwid absolutely shines if you need a plug-and-play store. But overall, there's a pretty clear frontrunner. Here's the real takeaway. If you want a full-featured, scalable store with no monthly fees, Shift4Shop is honestly the obvious choice. But if all you need is a quick, simple way to add e-commerce onto an existing site, and you don't care about advanced features or scaling a ton, Ecwid might make more sense. Just know its limitations before you jump in. If this helped, hit follow for more super practical e-commerce breakdowns. And I'm curious, which platform would you pick for your business this year? Let me know.